Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're reviewing the top 5 best solar security cameras of 2025. These cameras combine solar power, wireless technology, and advanced security features to keep your home or property safe. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive in. Number 1. Security Cameras Wireless Outdoor 4Cam Kit 4MP Solar Security Camera System. This system comes with 4 4MP cameras powered by solar energy. It features 360-degree pan and tilt, HD color night vision, motion detection, and a 64GB memory card. It operates without any monthly subscription fees. The 360-degree pan and tilt ensures full coverage of outdoor areas. Color night vision allows you to clearly identify objects even at night, and motion detection triggers alerts to keep you informed. The included memory card makes setup easy and cost-effective. Pros: full 360-degree coverage with pan and tilt, HD color night vision, solar-powered with no monthly fees, large memory card included, a complete subscription-free system that's ideal for homeowners looking for reliable, solar-powered security without ongoing costs. Number 2. AOSU 3K 5MP Solar Security Camera System 2-pack. These wireless, battery-powered Wi-Fi cameras offer 3K or 5MP resolution, panoramic PTZ, auto-tracking, human and vehicle detection, and color night vision. The package comes with 2 cameras. The auto-tracking feature ensures moving objects are always in view. Human and vehicle detection reduces false alarms, making it highly reliable for real-world use. Color night vision improves nighttime monitoring, and solar power keeps the system low maintenance. Pros: high-resolution 3K 5P video, auto-tracking with human and vehicle detection, panoramic PTZ for wide coverage, color night vision. Perfect for users looking for a smaller, high-tech system with smart detection features and reliable solar power. Number 3. AOSU 4Cam Kit Solar-Powered Outdoor Security Cameras. This 4-camera kit offers 2K color night vision, 360-degree pan and tilt, auto-tracking, and easy setup. It supports 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi and requires no subscription. The system provides excellent coverage and clear nighttime footage. Dual-band Wi-Fi ensures stable connectivity, and the solar-powered design keeps it maintenance-free. Auto-tracking helps follow any movement in the monitored area. Pros: 4-camera kit for full coverage, 2K color night vision, dual-band Wi-Fi 2.4 and 5 GHz, easy setup with no monthly fees. A reliable and affordable 4-camera solar system for homes needing broad coverage with minimal maintenance. Number 4. BOTSLAB 4Cam Kit Solar Security Camera System. This wireless system includes 4 cameras with 4K color night vision, 360-degree pan and tilt, AI recognition, and storage support from 32 GB up to 16 TB. It operates without monthly fees and includes a home base. The high-resolution 4K cameras deliver exceptionally detailed footage. AI recognition improves alert accuracy, while the expansive storage options allow for long-term recording. Solar charging ensures low maintenance, and the pan and tilt functionality covers all angles. Pros: ultra-clear 4K color night vision, AI recognition for smarter alerts, expandable storage up to 16 TB, solar-powered with no subscription. Ideal for users who want top-of-the-line security with advanced AI, high-resolution video, and flexible storage. Number 5. Cinnado 2K Solar or Battery-Powered Security Cameras 4-pack. This system comes with 4 2K cameras, human detection, 360-degree viewing, color night vision, and support for SD card or cloud storage. The cameras can operate via solar or battery power. Human detection reduces false alarms, and the 360-degree viewing ensures no blind spots. Solar or battery operation makes it versatile, especially in areas without easy access to power. The combination of SD and cloud storage gives flexible recording options. Pros: 2K resolution with color night vision, solar or battery powered, Human detection reduces false alerts. Cloud or SD card storage. A versatile and user-friendly system that balances affordability, quality, and flexibility for most home security needs. These 5 solar security camera systems cover a wide range of needs. For advanced AI and 4K detail, BOTSLAB is the best choice. For compact and reliable 2-camera solutions, AOSU 3K5P works well. For full 360-degree coverage with 4 cameras, the AOSU and Cinnado kits offer excellent value. All of these systems are solar-powered, wireless, and subscription-free, making them low-maintenance options for modern home security. Choose based on your budget, the number of cameras needed, and desired features like AI recognition or ultra-high-definition video.